Let me hear you go. Hey, 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 hey. Smoke weed every day.
Smoke weed every day.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey.
Smoke weed every day.
Smoke weed every day.
Hey, 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 hey. Smoke weed every day.
Smoke weed every day.
Hey, 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 hey. Smoke weed every day. Thank you, man. That was good. I like that shit. Rest in peace, Nate Dogg. We love you, man. I wish you was here at Rock the Bells tonight, man. You could have saw DMX. You could have saw Wu Block. You know what I'm saying? Jada Kiss. Yeah, you could have saw them all get down, man. But look, if you were here, what I would say was, consider this an invitation to my gangster nation. We from the West Coast. Somebody say yeah. Say hell yeah. Say yeah. Say fuck yeah. We from the West Coast.
Real loud, but don't come through, they run. We still right here somewhere.
What the fuck is Ice Cube talking about? That's how you get these nuts. Part of your mind. West side ride bitch. This same old shit. I don't conversate with pussy. You ain't gon' get. I don't holler at these hoes that sing like a Shantae. Party like Beyonce. Taste like Andre. You kinda strange. But folksy Monte. Got to be Bombay. See us. No. Haters can't see us.
Connect man with the DFP. Countless calls and countless charges. 3 years making bucks out of Cuba cigars.
You know,
Big Badalinas, XO Badalinas, wanna block a holes on us cause the chronic is the cleanest.
Yeah.
Tell my G's incarcerated and on probation. I will stay banking for the whole G-Nation.
throw it up, John. Come on. Throw it up, John. Come on. Throw it up, John. Come on.
Here we're afraid to burn.